teach you how to make DIY stress balls. So let's get started. So all you're going to need is some latex balloons and baking soda, rice, or flour, whatever one you want to use. And these are some optional ones. You could put ribbon on the end of the balloon, which you'd need scissors for. And you can also draw faces with permanent markers. So let's start. I actually bought birthday balloons, but I'm going to take one of these out. And now I'm going to make a funnel. And if you have a funnel, you could use that. But if you don't, you can just use a regular piece of paper. Now you stick the funnel into the balloon. Now take the filling you chose and put it in the funnel and let it sink down to the balloon. You keep going until it's full, or pretty close to the top. Now when your balloon is all filled up, you tie a knot. This is totally optional, but you could cut some ribbon and tie it to the end of the balloon. And tie a bow. Now that I tied the ribbon, the last and final optional thing is to decorate it with some markers. And this is dark blue, so some might not show up, but I'm going to try this green, see how this works, and I'll make a little smiley face or something. So thank you for watching. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed the DIY stress balls. You can make these of any size and with rice, baking soda, or flour. And try to make sure so it doesn't pop, because your mom is going to get really mad. And she kind of is. So even with the mess I made on the table. So see you guys next time. Bye.